Hi everyone! 皆さんこんにちは、ゆりかです。In the last video, we learned Katakana basics. Today, we're going to level up and learn Dakuten and Handakuten. This time, we'll add these two little marks to Katakana and they'll change the pronunciation. After this video, you'll be able to write your country's name in Katakana. Let's start with Dakuten. Dakuten are the two small lines that look like quotation marks. You add them to characters in the K, S, T, and H rows. When you add Dakuten, the sound becomes voiced. For example, ka becomes ga. Sa becomes za. Pretty simple, right? Let's practice each sound together. Please repeat after me. Ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, ge, ge, go, go, za, za, ji, ji, zu, zu, ze, ze, zo, zo, da, da, ji, ji, zu, zu, de, de, do, do, ba, ba, bi, bi, bu, bu, be, be, bo, bo. Nice! Next is Handakuten. Handakuten is the small circle. This mark is used only with the H roll. When you add Handakuten, the sound changed to a P sound. Handakuten appear very often in Katakana, especially in words borrowed from other languages. Let's practice together. Pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pe, pe, po, po. Great job! Now let's try a quick quiz. Please choose the correct katakana for each hiragana word. You can pause the video and check the katakana chart. The answers are question number 1, number 2, sarada, question number 2, number 3, pasokon, and question 3, it's number 3, zubon. How did you do? Next, let's look at contracted sounds. Sounds with small ya, yu, yo. If you don't remember, please check the previous video. With Dakuten and Handakuten, we mainly use these sounds gi, ji, bi, and pi. There is also G from the T roll, but it's pronounced the same as G from the Z roll, so we don't use it very much. For now, it's enough to remember these 4 sounds. One reminder, it's small ya, yu, yo make one sound, not 2. Gi plus ya becomes gya, one smooth sound. Please repeat after me. Gya, gya, ぎゅ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、ぎょ、じゃ、じゃ、じゅ、じゅ、じょ、じょ、びゃ、びゃ、びゅ、びゅ、びょ、びょ、ぴゃ、ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、ぴょ。Well done! Now let's talk about double consonants, the small ts. As we already learned, the small ts means you stop the sound for one beat. For example, pocket. Don't skip the small ts, it's very important for speaking Japanese naturally. Let's look at examples. コップ、コップ、ペット、ペット。Great! Let's move on to long vowels. In Katakana, we use a horizontal line to make the previous vowel sound longer. For example, チーズ、チーズ、テーブル、テーブル。You can hear that the vowel sound is extended. Finally, we have small vowels. They are attached to the previous character to make the pronunciation closer to the original language. For example, Philippine. Other examples are change, change, party, party. Great job! Now let's try the final quiz. Please change these hiragana words into katakana. The answers are question 1, number 4, spoon. Question 2 is number 1, juice. The question 3, number 3, surippa. Did you get all the answers right? Awesome! Now you've mastered katakana. You can even write country names. Let's look at some countries. アメリカ、イギリス、フランス、イタリア、スペイン、ドイツ、オーストラリア、サウジアラビア、インドネシア、ベトナム、タイ、フィリピン、China and Korea, however, are usually written in kanji. In the next video, we'll start learning kanji. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.